Hello, my people. How na dey? Agree to now. My people. You see this governor wey come so this Monday, Okpebholo. He no dey play o, no go put hand. If you put hand, he say he go dey cut time. Short leave you no. Our shorting elelewe here. This video one na the one, so I go put am for una make una see the way wey take dey clear Edo State. Una know say e don stop ashawo for Iyama junction wey be say all those okpo yawaya mudiaye na there dem dey stay, and all those okpo they are not from Benin o, they come from different states. They come Benin, come dey do their nyama thing for them. This time around now, now all those people wey be say they gbaga people where they kidnap anyhow. Now they don't start to dey destroy many houses. If you know say you be that kind person, you better run now. You better stop am, because if they catch you, your house must go down. All those people wey be say that they gbaga people, they go kidnap people, they go dey look for money wey be say they not work. They go say 3 million, 5 million, 15 million, 20 million. People wey be say they kidnap, they'll go, they find money, they go. They'll say if you not get time, they want buy your person. People will not get the money. Shebi they'll go, they run, they find the money, they go. Who go borrow them? Mondo Okpebholo the day for na bank. He said na so he go dey anybody wey be say they just know say this person na yahoo. That your house, they will bring am down. My people, anyway. For me, if for good say make dem dey seize the house, make dem no dey bring am down. This one na my opinion. If for just good say dem no dey bring am down, dem go seize am. That person no get it, no being get am again, so that dem go use am till they do another thing. Now that one na for good pass. Bring am down, me I no support, because money wey you want to bring am down, all those things. No, give am to people wey be say they sleep, wey no get house. E go belong to government property. Now so therefore take do one. Okay, that one na for my own. Maybe with time the fit still change, not they bring am down, not they destroy the houses again. And you also say people wey be say they rent house. If you na rent house for all those people wey be say that they do yahoo, then they kidnap, your whole house is still there at risk. So if you know say you want rent house for person, I bet may you first check the background well, know the work where they do, or may you not go fall it vinti, because you be not do anything. But as far as say you can't put them for house, the thing say now you they give them power. So make I put this video for now, make una watch, make una see the way where they don't start to they bring houses down, and people where be say they even arrest, then even they ask them question, because the thing where they do, so not be saying waiting no good, now waiting good, because too much of all this nyama is too much for that Edo State. Too much of when you go, you go somewhere, you go they fear me, they not gonna kidnap you. It's too much, because most of them they not want really work. I know say not be say the work they like that too, but now some people now still go they like sell pure water. Now see some people now still they do like bus driver. Now see some people now still they do different things, because they don't want make them go thief. They don't want make them go do what they're not supposed to do. You see all these people, they don't organize. Say now this one, now they be their work. Na Mondo Okpebholo e dey for una back. Make una not talk say na not hear. Who never hear now? Make it tell who don't hear. If you know say you never hear, share this video, make people for see wetin they go on. All those boys wey be say they carry money, they throw am for street, big car. You ask them say where they work, they no get where they work. Una go hear word, una go learn in a very hard way for Mondo Okpebholo hand. No be lie, we know they play. You see people wey not they talk, fear them. If you see person wey not they talk, just they run, they go. Not talk say na so e cool. He go chook in hand for your eye. He go come out for your back. As I said, just they do is your look. So it's your look be the thing say this woman not they talk. If I just do the woman just he go run. Who born you? They never born you. Now some of the Okpebholo be that they think say na cool governor. He don't they chook hand for their eye now. In the right way or not in the wrong way. Anyway, thank you for watching. God bless you. Help me to share this video, so that other people go see the video. Now bye for now. I appreciate each and every one.
The Edo State government has demolished properties used by kidnappers for detaining their victims in the outskirts of Ile in Ekpoma, Eastern West Local Government Area, and Uromi, Eastern Central Local Government Area, both in Edo Central Senatorial District of the state. Among the properties demolished is a 3-bedroom flat with the boys' quarters attached. Firearms and charms were recovered from both locations, which were destroyed by the security agents. Security operatives had, following months of discreet investigation on the activities of the kidnappers, stormed 2 hideouts where they made the startling discoveries. It is recalled that the Edo State government had, in line with the Governor Monday Okpebholo administration's determination to eradicate crime and criminality in the state, announced its readiness to demolish properties being used for kidnapping purposes in line with recently amendments anti-kidnapping laws of Edo State. The suspects confessed to the crime while they appealed for leniency.
Because I go kidnap a person. Now one guy with the job results. One guy with the job results with one girl. Carry kidnap 2 of them. No 2 times I don't kidnap. My name I will change now to go. Me I will be a Palmer Ferris and this person promise with a demo college with Shogun. We can become my boy. So we kidnap. We don't kidnap. No, maybe this house. You get one for to keep there for who we sign. Some others ones they stay said now. They now this is they stay. Some they stay Demolishes and they stay better. Now 2 quarters sign. Now what they take now.
My name is Felice Pama. I'm from Urumi. This boy, this small juju so, now lure me to kidnap. I never kidnapped before. He's come and meet me for her. I say, you know, Sabi drive. Me come to help and they drive.
According to the special advisor on security to the governor, Akare Paul, the exercise is in fulfillment of the state government's stance in combating crime.
Well, this is a hard out for the kidnapper. If they kidnap, they keep the victim here. So for the new law that the House of Assembly, Edo State government passed, so any house they keep a victim of kidnapping, they will bring the house down. And this is a warning to all the landlord and landlady. Before you give your house to anybody to rent, you must verify who is that person and where he's working. And if you refuse to do that, the same thing that happened to this house will also happen to that landlord or landlady.
We are here because this house, they have been using it to keep victims of kidnapping. And in the process, when the police came to raid this house, 2 arms were found. Illegal arms were found. They used for those kidnapping. And the new law have said, that was passed a bill that was passed into law of recent by the governor, that any house found within the Edo State for kidnapping use should be brought down. I think that's why we are here today. And I think it's a good one because it's going to set a deterrent to others. Anytime you are keeping a tenant in your house, you have to profile that tenant. Go to the police station, any nearest police station, and make the police be aware that this social person is a tenant. Let police help you profile that person before you accommodate anybody in your house.
Mary Omokagbo reporting for Okpebholo TV.